Well, we're back. It is time. It's time to make some steaks. I know we all enjoy steaks. Well, most of us enjoy steaks. I definitely enjoy steaks. Carnivores are us right here. Tonight we're going to make a filet mignon. The filet mignon is the juiciest, most tender. It's the best steak you can possibly find. It comes from the small end of the tenderloin, hence the name filet mignon. Mignon means small, petite, delicate, and that is exactly what this is. It is the most delicate part of the beef. It is an amazing cut of meat. I'm going to show you how to make a perfect seared, juicy filet mignon tonight. Tonight I'm going to pair our filet with a charred carrot feta salad. It's going to be wonderful. I'm not going to give you the recipe, probably show you some pictures. And then also some roasted broccolini. That's what we're going to pair this with. It is going to be an amazing meal, I'm sure of it. So if you're interested in learning how to make a restaurant perfect filet mignon, let's go ahead and start cooking. Now the first thing you want to do is you want to take your steaks out of the refrigerator a minimum of 30 minutes before you get them on your skillet. What we're going to do tonight is put them on the skillet, and then we're going to put them in the oven to finish them up. But the first thing is getting them out of the refrigerator. Once you have them out on the refrigerator, go ahead and season them. I like to season mine with a decent amount of salt, pepper, and a little bit of granulated garlic on both sides. I pat them down and then I just let them rest and get up to room temp. Okay, so it's been well over 30 minutes, probably more like 40 since I took these babies out of the refrigerator. Check that out. Oh, those are gonna be yummy, yummy, yummy. And you're gonna be able to watch me enjoy them. But anyway, so we've got these guys seasoned and up to room temperature. I have my sides pretty well ready to go. And now what we're going to do, I'm gonna get a cast iron skillet out. I'm gonna put a couple of tablespoons of butter in this cast iron skillet and get it on my stove over here. And I'm gonna get that thing roasting. I mean, we're gonna get it really, really, really hot. We're gonna put our steaks down and we're gonna leave them undisturbed for 2 minutes in this really, really hot cast iron skillet, and then flip them for another two minutes. That's going to sear both sides really well and lock in all of those amazing juices. And then after that, I'm gonna put them in my oven. I have my oven set at 425 degrees Fahrenheit, and I'm gonna leave them in there for about 5 to 6 minutes and check my temp and see where we are. With that, let's go ahead and get busy on these steaks. Okay, so here we are, we're in the kitchen, we're ready to roll. The first thing to do, of course, is get your stove turned on. And we want to get this guy going nice and high. And turn on our fan, because this guy will make a little bit of smoke, just the way it works. Yeah, that's starting to heat up quite nicely. I'm going to go ahead and put in a couple of tablespoons of butter. I'll probably put in 3 just for fun. There we go. I'm gonna get that sizzling up. By the way, I decided to wear my glasses when I'm around this because I've had butter just blast out of the pan toward my eyes, which I'm not really excited about. So that's why the glasses are on. A little protection there. I also encourage you to go ahead and purchase a couple of these screens, because when you get the steaks on there and they start splattering around, They make a bit of a mess, but you know, you keep the screen on top of your pan, it cuts down on the mess, and less cleanup is quite nice. I like that. So we get that butter going. Oh yeah. Nothing like good grass-fed butter. Not that you would feed butter. How do you get grass-fed butter? I don't know. All right, we're getting good. So we're going to do 2 minutes down on each side. I really want to get a really good sear, a good caramelization on both sides of the steak, because that's going to lock in all of that filet mignon juiciness right in the middle. By the way, if you didn't know, not too long ago, I did a video on lobster tails. You might want to take a look at that. That's going to be popping up in one of the corners. There'll be a card up there if you want to check that out, because this makes a great surf and turf. I'm not doing a surf and turf tonight, just the turf tonight. So there we go. Yeah, I think that's good. And we are just about on high on our gas. So, all right, let's get these on. Just listen to them sing right there. Yes. All right, setting the timer for 2 minutes, and we will turn them over. All right, time to turn these guys over, see how they're looking. Ooh, looking pretty good right there. Oh yeah, that's a nice sear. Beautiful. That will work perfectly. Check that out. All right, a couple more minutes on this side now, and we will toss them in the oven. Now, by the way, when we toss them in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and put them in for about 5 minutes, and then I'm going to check their temperature. I'm looking for a temperature right around 103 degrees Fahrenheit. That is pretty much medium rare, and if I get that in 5 minutes, I'm going to go ahead and pull them out. Typically, it takes a little bit longer, but I like to check them at 5 minutes just to be sure, because the last thing I want is an overdone steak. So. Okay, so we just had the timer go off, and let's see how we're doing here. We are at 122, 123 on that guy. A little cooler on that one. All right, I'm going to give it 1 more minute. Actually, you know what? I'm going to take these out. Yeah, I'm going to take these out. We're good. These are good. These are ready to go. Those are going to be fun. All right, well, here we are. We got it down. We got some broccolini, we've got this amazing carrot salad with feta, and we have these steaks. I'm just gonna try one piece of the steak just to see how we did. Oh, yeah. I think we're good. Let's just take a little bit off and we will give it a try. Oh my, that looks really good. Delectable. I think we have a winner. Check out my videos, check out my lobster one. You might want to pair that with that. But with that, if I can cook it, so can you. Go and enjoy your evening. Go and enjoy your kitchen. It's a beautiful thing. We'll talk to you later.